Over the course of a lifetime, without even thinking about it, we consume and rely upon thousands of products, from the mind-bogglingly complex to the elegantly straightforward. These everyday things are the culmination of brilliant brains working across history in cutting-edge science and design. Beat the horn! I'm Zoe Laughlin, designer, maker, and materials engineer. That's the nylon. And I love getting under the skin of the things we take for granted. I've studied them, but now I'm going to make my own versions. That looks surprisingly toothbrushy. To truly understand how form, function and materials come together, there's a bit of a smell. I'm pulling apart 3 seemingly ordinary but classic items before crafting my own designs step by step. Release the balls! Oh, crikey. Vacuum on. Yes. And constructing something truly bespoke. They're mad, but they're mine. In this programme, I'm taking on one of my favourite wearable items and a personal obsession, the trainer.
This is central to the development of sports shoes as we know them.
I am weaving with bacteria.
With up to 65 different parts in a single pair.
This is rapidly cooled.
They combine revolutionary synthetic polymers.
It's designed so it's activated with the sweat on your skin, so the food source will be your skin.
With the principles of energy absorption and the biomechanics of how we walk.
We can clearly see loads of load underneath the ball of the foot.
That makes these jewels for the feet, marvels of engineering. Can building my own unique pair from scratch reveal the wonders behind the humble trainer? Trainers come in a huge variety of sizes, shapes, materials, and they're not simply shoes to play sport in. The trainer has become the ubiquitous, casual, comfortable piece of footwear. With the bewildering 5,000 plus varieties of trainer on sale in the UK today, the latest shoes are constantly breaking new ground in material science, engineering and design. There's trainers like these where the sole is made of rubber and graphene, the super material that makes this rubber incredibly strong. There's ones where the upper is entirely wool, so from the high-tech to the kind of ancient. With so many different materials to consider for my own trainers, I'm going back to the beginning, the birthplace of British shoemaking, Northampton. During the 19th century, this was the shoe capital of Britain, with over 18